What's up, y'all? Check this out. Hope you can see this. Those are all the hits I've been getting on Facebook Marketplace for all my equipment. So hopefully everything gets sold. I've been rating a lot of people trying to buy their equipment so I can flip it. But we're gonna see what we're gonna do today.
You got pretty good prices.
Oh yeah, I mean I'm just selling.
You know?
I contracted out all my work, so I don't need it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I'm just getting started.
Oh yeah, well you in there. I paid about, I think that was $3 something in the store.
This?
Yeah. I mean with tax and everything.
I'll take this for sure. I saw this and the bed edger in Pittsburgh. Straight, this, not the articulating one though, for $200. And I thought it was that good of a deal that I drove to Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh?
And I bought the bed redefiner, and then I see you selling it for $99. I'm like, everyone else sold it for like $160.
Yeah, I mean that's what it's worth. I'm selling fast though. I mean,
Yeah.
it's worth that, but I'm selling it fast.
This is like, I kind of want it, but I don't know if I'll ever need it, but it sure would be nice to have it.
That's what I mean. I use that more than anything. It cuts through anything, honestly. Oh, that stuff gets stuck up in it. I was just going right through it with that. Just go just right through it.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Yeah. I mean, it works on like little small sapling trees and stuff like that.
My whole property line's all them little like saplings and
stuff.
Yeah,
that'll take it right down. Yeah. I get sleepy doing that. Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Cash money, baby. Alright guys, I just got home, but I'm headed right back out. I got another hit on my phone with a sale. It might even be a trade. We're gonna talk when we get there. Hopefully I can get something good out of this deal. It's a broken weed whacker. I had it for maybe 3 years now. Just been sitting in my garage, not doing me any good. It's a good brand still. It's still just been sitting there. I haven't touched it. I was gonna get it fixed a while back. The cost to get it fixed was around the price, well, half the price of getting another one new. We'll see what happens on this deal. What was this? This was like $50, I believe.
$50?
Yeah.
So what's up with this?
You know what? I don't remember. I took it to the shop a while back. I never got it fixed. I had so many of them.
Okay. Well, you landscape and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just started a year or 2 years.
I mean, it seems like
it's something he had told me. I took it to Marshall's and I can't remember exactly what he said was wrong with it.
I mean, it seems like it's got compression and all that, you know?
Yeah, it was something I think he said it would have cost more for them to fix it. I don't know. You said you had another one with
Yeah, I forgot to grab it, man. It's at my house. But it don't run, you know. It's like it's a Ryobi.
Oh, okay.
But if you want it, you can follow me over there and get it. It's let me know. Keep
all
in
right,
touch
appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Leave a good review for me on Facebook. That'll help. Appreciate it, man. That was a trade. Okay, so now we got the used weed whacker we traded for. We're gonna post this on Facebook Marketplace, and we're gonna see if we get a hit. Hopefully get one today. Honestly, we begin as soon as I post it, someone hits me up and wants it. It's just that time of year, y'all. We're gonna get this one sold, get the rest on sold. Let me show you what I still have. It's early, y'all, but I gotta make this sale. I got a guy waiting on me over at the storage facility right now, so I'm headed over there. He wants one of the combi unit attachments, so hopefully he buys it.
Hey, Doc.
Pretty good.
Yeah, too cold for this shit.
I think this is it.
How long have you had it?
I had that probably 2 years now.
It ain't good. Or is it like just for dry?
Yeah, I mean, I used it for a bed that was already made. Then go in and do it. I created a bed with it before. I only used it maybe 3 or 4 times. Yeah, it works. It literally only been used about 3 or 4 times. It's sitting in my garage. Appreciate it, man.
You said you got an extension too?
Yeah, this right here. It's good for like the hedge trimmers if you got to get higher. That's the last time I used that once, I think, for some tall bushes.
Well, I didn't bring enough cash, but if you still got it, I might take it here.
Yeah, it's all posted online. If it's under, it'll be here.
Would you say $50 for that?
Yeah, I think it was 50 for that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. All right, you too. Cash for this one. We sold the redefiner for this combi unit. We sold that one. That's what we have left. All right, y'all, it's freezing cold today, but we got a lot of sales done. We're gonna continue to make a bunch of sales. I found a bunch of stuff I want to buy, so I'm gonna show those too. I don't know if I'm gonna tape a lot of that because that's their property and stuff like that, but I'll show you as much as I can. I'm gonna be picking up a weed whacker, I think tomorrow, and I got a blower I'm gonna be picking up tomorrow, so I'll try and show that as well.